Hello again, and welcome to Blue Ocean. My name is Liam Newman, and this is the third in a series of videos where I've been showing you some of the cool features of Blue Ocean 1.0. In this video, I'll be showing you how the Blue Ocean dashboard helps you focus on the results that are important to you, whether that's specific branches and pull requests in one project, or multiple branches across multiple projects. At the end of the last video, I had just merged my last pull request. It turns out that commit failed due to an intermittent issue that the Jenkins home issue I talked about before. But I reran it and it passed just fine. So we'll just continue on for this. And that brings us to the Blue Ocean dashboard. The dashboard has two parts, the favorites and the list of pipelines. The pipeline list is already an improvement over the old Jenkins Web UI. It tells us the overall health of the project and gives us a high-level account of passing and failing branches and pull requests. The favorites list is the really neat thing, though. Here you can see the favorites list showing the results of the last run of my recent pull request. I didn't tell Blue Ocean to add that pull request to my favorites. It did that on its own. Blue Ocean looked at the user information on the commits in that pull request and matched it to my Jenkins user information and automatically added it to this list. I can also add the project as a whole to my favorites by clicking on the star next to the project. In that case, Blue Ocean adds the last result from the master branch to my favorites. Let's see, what else can I do with the favorites section? If I look at the branches section of the activity view, I can add other branches to my favorites as well. And click on the star there. Now, I get the current status for that branch right on my dashboard whenever I need it, without having to drill into the activity view to find it. Next, I'll add the rest of the projects in my GitHub organization to this Jenkins instance. I'll go to Add Pipeline and follow a similar process to what I'd done originally to create a single pipeline. This time, though, I'm going to use the auto-discover feature. This will look at all the branches in each repository in my sample GitHub organization. For each branch and pull request that has a Jenkins file, it will create a pipeline and run it. So here it is, going out to GitHub, discovering the pipelines, 1, 2, 3. Looks like it found 4 more. I can favorite these projects the same way I did the single JUnit project by clicking on the star here. And then the result shows up in my favorites. But I don't really want that. I thought Blue Ocean would do a better job here. Maybe this needs a refresh. There we go. I could favorite projects manually like I was showing you, but here, again, Blue Ocean made an educated guess about what projects should be added to my favorites based on my participation in those projects. With the additional results in the list, it's easier to see how Blue Ocean also orders favorites with failures and other non-passing results towards the top, where I can find them easily. The dashboard, of course, also gives me other options, such as rerunning this particular commit or just running the branch as it stands right now. And it also gives me information about what the commits were in there. The other great thing about the dashboard is it is personalized to each user. I'll log in as a different user on this same Jenkins and show you. I go out, log out of my Jenkins and log back in. As you can see, I'm logged in now as the other Liam. Now I can go back into Blue Ocean. And here's this user's personalized dashboard. No automatically selected favorites this time. The user information supplied for this account has no connection to those projects, so Blue Ocean didn't add any automatic favorites. Still, I can pick some favorites manually, and they'll be tracked for this user specifically. When I switch back, logging in as my original account, here you can see we're back to the original Liam. I get the favorites from my original user. This system of personalized favorites is helpful for a small Jenkins instance like this one. It removes some of the minor hassles of digging for results. But on larger Jenkins instances is when this feature really shines. Here's what I get when I log into the Jenkins instance for the Jenkins project on ci.jenkins.io. This instance has dozens of projects. I don't work on most of them, but the ones I do work on, I work on regularly. So I get really tired of having to dig for the one or two projects that I actually need to look at. With no input from me, Blue Ocean generated a favorites list of pull requests and branches that I've been involved with, saving me quite a bit of time. Multiply that by how often I need to look through here, and that's a significant time savings. And then, of course, I could also go in and customize this further by actually adding the project or key branches that I felt were important. And then you have the Blue Ocean dashboard. Thanks for watching.